Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard earned money in gambling. If you're interested to get more recommendations, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also, let us know your insight in the comment section. Today, we will discuss on TCS. So, as you can see, that every market has corrected a lot. We don't know till how much the market will go, uh, when the market will touch its bottom. If you see the market, the nifty for the last 3 4 days, it is continuously going down. Before that, it was continuously going up, and nifty has touched its peak. So the nifty touched its peak at around, I think it was around 18,600, 700, like that it touched, and now it has corrected to 17,708 that I can see today. So at this moment, from this moment, if the market needs to if the market starts correcting, then IT will play a key role, and TCS is one of the largest IT company in India. Not one of the largest, but the largest company, I would say, in India at this moment. So if the market needs to correct, it has to depend on TCS. And this is the daily chart. If you There are two reasons why I'm selecting TCS today. Definitely, first is its fundamental strength. As I always say, that I choose a company based on its fundamental strength. How I never choose a company how much fast it is growing, whatever percentage of increase it is happening every day. There is no doubt that TCS has a really fundamentally strong company. So for that, how we can so this is the performance highlights. I got this from their day for the yearly report. So here you can see the revenue trend has increased uh, year after year. The operating profit trend has increased year after year. Client metrics has also increased. Employee metrics has increased. Earning per share has increased, and the shareholder payout. So this is the shareholder payout that is also quite good. So the TCS are definitely TCS. In recent days, it's focusing on various capabilities like cloud capabilities, proactive account management, service delivery, quality, innovations. So cloud is one of the key features that TCS is concentrating upon. It's also focusing on AI and other latest technologies. So there is no doubt about its fundamental strength. Now the next question comes is, when we should invest in TCS. Is this the right time to invest in TCS or not? So for that, we go to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart of TCS. So here you can see that it has corrected. It went to a high of 3,985 on 16th September, and it touched its high on 11th October. And then from there it started gradually correcting, and now it's at around range 3,405. If we come to this daily chart, here you can see the RSI is at the oversold zone. It's around 27. So it's in the oversold zone. So there are very few occasions you will get in case of companies like TCS, Infosys. These are the major companies um, in this oversold zone, or Reliance. So as per the RSI, to me this is the best time to invest in TCS. To gain profit, one of the key thing is, so that is a common mathematical thing, that to buy in less price and sell in high price. So would you like to buy in the upper zone and then come down, or you like to buy in oversold zone and make the maximum profit. So if you see in this year, it never were the oversold zone. So this is the first time in this year we are getting the TCS in the oversold zone. Now let's come to the weekly chart, showing it's also good. It's around average 46. The RSI is so it's quite a good. We can hold this if we buy now. We can hold this for a long period. I'm not targeting for a small period, shorter period. I'm targeting for a long period, so we can hold it for a long period. So as I always say that split your money split your planned invested amount in 3 to 5 breaks. Now, for this TCA, in the case of TCS, since it's oversold zone and it's a fundamentally strong company, I'm breaking my planned investment into 3 parts. So I have bought this share today. First investment I'm doing the first I have done the first investment today at this level around 3300 to 2400. Now if you have bought, if you are holding it, it's fine, there is no need to panic. And if you have not bought it, definitely buy it on Monday. Because when the market will start reversing, TCS will definitely increase and you will make a good profit from here. Now what the maximum can happen? Now let's come to the weekly chart. Now here you can see that today I have bought. Now if it corrects to this level from 3400, it comes down to this level around 3000 to but 2800. If it comes to this level, I will do the second investment. And if it goes, and I'll keep the third investment for the worst case if it goes around 2500 level and it starts rising from here, which is quite expected, then I will do the second investment around 3700 or this level. If it crosses this 4000 mark with a volume, then I will do the second investment. So this is my plan. So what do you think, friends? Do let me know in the comment section. And also before investing, do your own research. Also, also I would like to say uh, that after this COVID scenario, the IT market is really booming, and every company is looking for resources, employees. So that shows the strength in the IT industry at this moment, and which will at least stay for another 2 to 3 years. So that's why I'm saying you can definitely focus on this IT industry now when the market has corrected, and when the market will start reversing, this IT play a key role. The previous day I told you about Tech Mahindra, and today I am telling you about the TCS. It may take 2 or 3 days to go up, but never mind, it will definitely go up. And I don't see any better chance than this zone. See, how many times will you get TCS in the oversold zone? So definitely buy this stock at this moment. If you're planning, then definitely go for it now. This is the right time to invest in companies like TCS. Thank you.